Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to delete Facebook account. So for this purpose, first you need to open Facebook app on your mobile device. Then here at the bottom right corner, you have this menu button, click on it. Then menu page will pop up. Here you need to scroll down and tap on settings and privacy. Then here settings option will pop up, you simply need to click on it. Then settings and privacy page will appear. Here click on see more in account center. Then account center will pop up. Here you have the option of personal details. You simply need to click on it. Then here you have the option of account ownership and control. Tap on it. And then here you have two options. You simply need to click on deactivation or deletion. And then from here choose that account which you want to delete or deactivate. Then here you have two options, deactivate additional Facebook profile and delete additional Facebook profile. So for deleting it, you simply need to click on delete. Then at the bottom you have the option of continue, you simply need to tap on it. Then from here choose the reason that why you want to delete your account. Once you choose reason, then click on continue. Then this page will pop up. Here you have the option of continue again, you simply need to tap on it. Then this type of page will pop up. Here you need to scroll down and here you have this option continue, tap on it. Then you are here on this page. Here you need to enter password of that account which you want to delete. Once you enter password, then click on continue and you can see your account is deleted. So this is how you can delete Facebook account. So that's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching.